This is the app we added, and we choose to earn in dollars, and this is it. So we are good to go. We are going. So what to do next is to what? Is to add unit. Sorry, to add unit. What is the add unit? The add unit, they are those codes that Google are going to give us. So that is the code that will be used to build the application that will allow the app to start showing ad. So I hit on add unit. Okay. In adding add unit, we have banner, we have interstitial, we have rewarded, we have rewarded interstitial, we have rewarded native, advanced, app open. I'll be doing video to explain each and every one of these type of add unit. What's will video on this video? Make sure you hit subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I release any video, any important video, you'll be able to watch. First of all, what I'm going to use for this app I want to create, what kind of add unit am I going to use? I'm going to use banner, I will use interstitial, I will use rewarded. So I will also use app open native app. So first of all, I will hit on banner. If I hit on banner, for me to be able to create the banner code, I will enter here, write banner 1 for easy identification so that I will not forget it. Banner 1, then I'll add and create add unit. Okay. When I hit on add unit now, this page comes. That is, the add unit has been created successfully. The banner add code, this is it. This one is the banner add code. But the first one, this first one is the what? Is the app ID. Is the app ID. This one, that N98, it will every add unit we are going to created with this same application is going to have the same app ID that end 4898. It will be the same, but this one will be changing depending on the type of ad you are creating for. So this one I copied, I marked is the banner code. Why this one is the app ID. You will copy the app ID, save it in your notepad, copy this one and save it. I will teach you how to do this. So let's go. Okay, I hit on copy. So I've copied this one. What I'm going to do now, let me try go to my WhatsApp. Come on. Oh. In order to save it, I can come to my notepad here. Before I put it, I will write banner, give one space, put the code, and I will just minimize and go back to the app. I can decide to copy the app ID now. I can decide to leave it since it's the same and all of them. Let me leave it for now. We go and do for interstitial. Once it come here, you will come and tap on add unit at the top there. So I tap on this time around we are going for interstitial. This one I choose the second one after banner. So I hit on this box here. I will write interstitial 1 and I'll hit on create add unit. Just like it's the same process, this one you are also copying the second code. After this one, I will pause the video. I will having known that you people understand how to generate add unit. So for any kind of add unit you want to do for this, the same process. Okay, I will do rewarded because there is a little setting on rewarded that you need to know. Okay, it has been created successfully. Like I said, as I told you guys that this first one is the app ID to ever remain the same. You can see it's still 48 and 98 at the end. So it will be the same on any add unit you are generating or you are creating with this same app. It's only the down one that will be changing. This one now is for interstitial. So we are copying this one for interstitial. Is copied. I will straight away go to my WhatsApp and save it while I'm saving it. So I'll give space like this, write interstitial under, we paste the code, just minimize and go back to the app, then click on done. When you click on done, you still hit on this add unit here. This time around I'm going to do for rewarded. Okay, for rewarded you see some settings, it's quite different from the other. Here you write rewarded as the name of the ad. Let's just can write rewarded one. You come here. What this place means is that enter reward amount. Like this rewarded, let me give a brief, like a short explanation about it. This is what it means. Like if you are using some app, you will do some things, or you watch ad, they will tell you that you have earned a reward. This is the secret behind it. This is the reward, that when you like using some app, you do some certain thing, they say you have earned a reward and it has been added to your dashboard. This is where it comes from. So where you are seeing one now, how many like amount of, how many coins or how many whatever you want to give the user as a reward. Here let me just put 50. If I put 50, it's okay. That means once the person watch ad in my app, the person will be given 50 coins or whatever I set it as. So once this setting is done, I hit and create ad unit. Okay, it has been created successfully. Like I also said again, I said this first code must ever remain the same. You can see it's still 48 and 98. So that is the app ID. If that is the app ID, that is the code that represents the app. So this second one now is the rewarded code, this one. So we are still going to copy it and go back to my WhatsApp. Then this time around, I will give space again, write rewarded, back and paste the code. Okay. This is how you are going to save it. So for now, I will do for the rest I want to, but I will not show it again, not to prolong the distance. I believe you understand how to do this now. If you want to like choose anyone, depending on the one the developer requests from you can hit on add unit. If the developer wants you to give him or her rewarding interstitial app open native, you can still do the same. It's the same process to get the code, if you get now. So this is how to set up your email account. I will pause it for now. Let me generate the one I want and I'll show you little things, then that will be the end of this tutorial. As you can see, I've done the one I want to do. So what we're going to do now. Hello guys, at this point we have successfully generated ad unit. So what we have to do next is to set up our payment information so that the account will be get verified. How to do that? Check the description of this video below. You will see the link to the video that will guide you on how to set up your payment information correctly. Thanks.